Alternative.
Spring.
Break.
Boston.
2024.
My favorite organization was Boston Healthcare for the Homeless. This organization focuses on getting the homeless people in Boston the healthcare that they need and providing them a place to recover and recuperate while they're unwell. I really appreciated being able to play bingo with the patients at Boston Healthcare for the Homeless and getting to see what their everyday struggles are like. Having that conversation with them and just getting a first-hand perspective of why they appreciate the organization so much and all the services that they provide was really eye-opening, and it was very heartwarming to know that these patients are getting the help that they need and really appreciate themselves.
My favorite part about the ASB Boston trip was getting to see what the hospital systems like Beth Israel, Boston Children's Hospital, Mass General, as well as Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, what they were doing on their end in order to make healthcare equitable and more accessible. It was really great to see their programs, their initiatives, and kind of see where the critique on these big hospital systems come from.
So one thing that I learned on this trip was about medication distribution and pill distribution among the homeless population. So we went to the Healthcare for Homeless in Boston, and I learned that a lot of people have struggles with storing their medications, and that has inspired me to work on solutions for how we can fix this in the future.
My favorite moment on the trip was when we met and talked to Dr. Rosanna Means, who has been a practicing doctor for over 50 years. I was inspired by how she switched from a career in cardiology, which was all the haze back then, to working in community health and in nonprofits despite all the external opposition.
My favorite organization that we visited was Hospitality Homes. I felt like they were covering a very niche topic, and it's kind of a struggle that a lot of people don't think about, where maybe if you have to pursue care out of state, the cost of trying to find a place to live can be a big burden. So I felt like Hospitality Homes' mission in trying to alleviate that financial burden of giving families a warm place to stay at night was very sweet, and their message is very inspiring.
My favorite memory of all the ASB Boston program was definitely the cooking competition. I think it was very cool to just see people being themselves and like playing around with food and our cuisine experiences, and also like having fun of each other, joking each other around. And I think it was very nice to just be out of the, like professional setup to be more like friends. I think that brought us all together.
Wait, actually, now that I think about it, I think my iPhone might be the 11.
We're trying no more. It's cold on the floor, cold on the floor. This house has never been the same as before. It's never felt warm, never felt warm. There's something moving through the windows and walls. I've seen it before, seen it